If you want to turn off VoiceOver on iPhone 16e, here's what we need to do. So first of all, we need to tap on settings in the home screen once, and then double tap in order to open it. If you have settings on a different page, you can use 3 fingers in order to go to the next or previous page. So it works like this. So let's select settings once and then double tap. Now over here we need to choose accessibility, so we can tap on accessibility once. If needed, you can use 3 fingers in order to scroll up and down like this. So let's select accessibility and double tap. Now I'm asked to allow notifications. I'm gonna select not allow and then double tap. You can actually double tap anywhere, it doesn't matter where you tap it, as long as you tap it, it's fine. So you can select with the precise position. So yeah, I can tap on VoiceOver over here, but then I can double tap anywhere in order to go into that option. And then we have the VoiceOver option, so we can double tap immediately in order to turn off VoiceOver, and now we can use our iPhone without additional fingers again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!